Welcome participants, my name is Honor Victor Abel, Group 11, Batch 0303-217. Mentor is Mr. Paul. I'll be talking about MMM ideology, rules, and how it works. The full meaning of the three-letter MMM means Mavrodi-Mundial Movement. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other peer-to-peer system. No central account. It will not collect your money. MMM ideology: creating a fair finance system where money will no more be an issue. Creating a platform where there will be no need to go to bank to borrow money to execute finance project. How MMM works: MMM is a community of people providing each other help on the principle of gratuitousness nevertheless. The green color there is to provide help, while the yellow color is to get help. Where does the 30% come? Simple. There is no interest rate in MMM. MMM, after you donated money, you get rewarded with Marvel. Marvel is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This index at 30% a month. It is just a technical terms. Benefit: we are offering mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donation. Growth of Marvel per month. Registration bonus: after having registration registered and making the first donation, the participant receive bonus in the amount of $20 if your money is between $50 and $499, $50 if is between $500 to $2,999, and $100 from $3,000 and above. Referral bonus: you will get 10% from all donation of the participant you invited. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development. Becoming manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn manager's bonus. Manager of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager bonus varies depending on the level in the structure. Beware of the risk. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only distributes money between two participants, connecting a donation to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and donate to not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may have that those who have donation will only not receive the help back. Donating only spare money. MMM rules for safety participants. 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want. Do not share email or bank details with another. Do not delay in payment for your order. Do not edit your banking details, change password less than 15 days before getting help. Do not click on the "I refuse to make payment" button for more than once a month. 6. Do not make deposit. Fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty: you will be completely blocked. What are you waiting for? Come and join MMM community, and I promise you that you will never regret. Long live Mavrodi Soji, long live MMM Nigeria, long live all my mentor, Mr. Paul, and all participants. Thank you.